142-627. Hey, what's going on?
They was telling us our gas tank.
Oh, I thought you were trying to like fight me down or something.
Nah, they was blowing at us and telling us our gas tank was open.
Yeah, I just hopped out and shut it, but they just pulled us and told us that our gas tank, but we just left the gas station.
I got you.
54.
Really?
No record.
Is this a rental car?
I'm sorry?
Is this a rental car? Are you guys from like...
We weren't staying in Tallahassee. We were literally like getting gas and leaving. And we got some food.
Is there any more marijuana in the car? Besides that right there? This is it? Okay. Do you have a medical marijuana card?
I
69/64.
Unit in the area of
You got a valid driver's license?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
You do? Okay. Basically, Tennessee and Ocala here at the entrance of Publix on Tennessee Street. I mean, you got any weapons on you?
No, sir.
All right.
I just have ID, keys, and money.
Okay. Gotcha.
Money. Check me.
No, you're fine, man.
No.
Any more marijuana inside the car? Sure. Okay. Would you do me a favor and come over here and watch my car with me? Is that your girlfriend, wife? Who is she?
That's actually my cousin.
Your cousin? Okay.
And that's her daughter.
I'm gonna have a seat while I'm
That's my little cousin.
Okay.
Just get your shit.
No, wait. No. Get out of the driver's seat, man. Don't drive off. Don't you drive off. Oh, this man.
Hey, brother, will you have a seat right here for me? Stop! Put your fucking hands up! Put your fucking hands up! Stop! Dispatch, give us traffic.
She said hostage. Hostage.
What's going on?
She said they got him hostage in here. Hostage in here.
Tallahassee police!
Let me see your hands.
Watch up high.
Somebody watch him top windows. I got the stairwell.
Let me get someone on the back side. Hey, get outlaw here.
Tallahassee police, come outside now with your hands up.
Come out! Come out now! Come out now!
You better come outside. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Come out with your hands up!
Come out with your hands up now. Hey! Stop! Get on the ground.
Get on the police!
Oh, go! Where's the shooting? Where's the shooting? Where's that?
Go! It's out the back.
Dispatch, give us an address.
Hold your traffic. They're giving commands. Just everybody hold the shot. Don't move! Don't move! Get off the ground! Do not move! Roll! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Shots fired!
I can't breathe, come on.
Shots fired in the back. Shots fired in the back. Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach! Put your hands out! Put your hands out to the side like an airplane!
I got him covered, trucking. I got him covered.
Get EMS! Get EMS!